In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit related products in BigCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to switch between automatic and manual modes, and how to save your changes so your storefront shows the right recommendations. First, log into your BigCommerce admin panel. Once you're in, head to Products, then View Products. If you don't see View Products, just open the Products area and locate the item you want to work on. Click the product to open its detail page. This is the main edit screen where all of your product information lives. On the product edit page, scroll until you find the related products section. Depending on your theme or admin layout, this is often under a storefront or similar tab. If you're not seeing it immediately, take your time and expand the sections. It's there, just tucked into the product's display settings. Now, you have two ways to control related products. The first is automatic mode. If the option automatically show related products on my storefront is checked, BigCommerce will handle this for you. It looks at similarities in product names and descriptions to pick items that are likely to be relevant. This is a great set and forget approach if you want quick, consistent recommendations without manual upkeep. It's especially handy for large catalogs where manually curating every product would be time-consuming. If you want full control, switch to manual mode. To do that, uncheck the automatic option. With it turned off, you can browse your catalog directly from this section and select the exact items you want to show as related products. Choose items that genuinely complement the main product. Think compatible accessories, upgrades, or similar styles. You can also remove any previously selected items that no longer make sense, keeping the list focused and helpful. When you've made your selections, whether you're sticking with automatic recommendations or curating them yourself, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to apply everything you've done. Your storefront will use those settings on the product page, so shoppers see the related items you've chosen or the ones BigCommerce has suggested. That's it. Log in, open your product, find the related products section, pick automatic or manual, select or remove items as needed, and save. With just a few clicks, you can improve discovery, increase average order value, and make your product pages much more useful for your customers.